Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming how your Android stores encryption, file-based or full disk. Once done, install a trusted file manager that explicitly supports encrypted containers or common formats. Make sure to back up the encrypted file to external storage or cloud. You will need a safe copy if something fails. Now open the file manager, navigate to the encrypted file location, and note the file name and extension so you can select the correct decryption tool next. You must identify the decryption key source, the app key store, an exported key file, or a passphrase you remember. Once identified, choose the correct algorithm and mode in the decryption tool. Mismatched settings cause corruption. Use the file manager or a dedicated decryption app to point at the encrypted file and the key. Start the decryption and watch progress. Large files may take minutes and ramp CPU and battery. If prompted, allow temporary elevated permissions for the app to read protected storage. Once decryption finishes, open the file in a verified viewer to confirm content integrity and that timestamps look correct. If the file won't open, don't overwrite the original. Retry using an alternative algorithm or check key encoding, hex/base 64, and correct padding. Make sure to test with a small sample first. If corruption occurred, restore the backup and repeat the process. And finally, secure the recovered data in an encrypted container with a documented passphrase. Tip:
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.